When conditioning a crawl space, follow the thumb rule that passive venting must be reduced and mechanical ventilation provided to control moisture and pressure. Conditioned crawl spaces require shifting from traditional passive ventilation to controlled air management so the space stays within the house thermal and humidity envelope. Start by sealing soil and perimeter with an impermeable liner and close or substantially reduce existing passive vents to limit unconditioned air entry. Then, provide either a supply-only or balanced mechanical ventilation system sized to 1 cubic foot per minute for every 50 square feet of crawl space floor area, or follow local mechanical code guidance that may be more conservative. If you choose supply-only, make the supply duct from conditioned living space so the crawl space gets temperate air and pressure that discourages soil moisture infiltration. Include a dedicated dehumidifier sized for the crawl space volume and local climate to maintain relative humidity below 60% and prevent mold and rot. Finally, integrate the crawl space ventilation control into the home mechanical schedule or thermostat so the system runs only when needed and does not overload the heating and cooling equipment. A common mistake is leaving passive vents wide open and treating the crawl space like attic ventilation, which drives moisture into insulated floors. Close or reduce vents and use mechanical supply to stabilize conditions. Another error is undersizing the ventilation rate or dehumidification, which allows persistent high humidity, size to 1 cubic foot per minute per 50 square feet, and choose a dehumidifier with capacity rated for the space and climate. Homeowners also often forget to seal the ground and perimeter, which lets soil moisture bypass the ventilation strategy. Install a continuous impermeable liner and tape, or mechanically fasten seams and terminations to maintain an air and vapor barrier. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare approaches for conditioned crawl spaces so we can decide on the right ventilation and dehumidification plan for our home. We also help contractors find targeted work and participate in our discussion community where we share real project experiences and technical questions.